Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your archive boards on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you have archive boards on Pinterest and need to find them, you simply have to follow these simple steps. Please take note that Pinterest's feature set can update, so if these instructions do not precisely match, they should still offer a general approach. Remember that archive boards may contain valuable ideas, inspirations, or plans that you want to revisit or update. For example, you want to restore or reorganize your boards to reflect current interests or projects. So archiving boards can help you streamline your Pinterest experience. Now, all you're gonna do if you wanted to check the unarchived boards or find your archive boards, go to the board section. Now you see there should be an option here. Now once you are inside one of your boards, okay, there should be a three dots at the upper right corner, the ellipsis buttons. Click on it and click on the archive board. Now you see there's gonna be a pop-up window that says if you archive how to delete all pins on Pinterest, we'll hide it from your profile and won't be able to save pins to it. If you change your mind, you can restore it at the bottom of your profile below your active boards and click on archive. Now, you see, now what will happen is when you go to your boards, the archive boards has a different section. You see archive boards are the bottom, all right? So here is one of my archive boards. You see that there's an icon beside two pins. That means archive. Now, if you want to unarchive this, all you're gonna do is click on this option and click on unarchive. All right. Now, sometimes it's simply enjoyable to revisit old boards to see how your tastes or preference have evolved over time. And by accessing and managing your archive boards, you can keep your Pinterest profile organized, and of course it could reflect of your current interests and needs. All right, so the thing is, it's a very easy and straightforward process. I'm gonna uncarve this for now to show it to you guys. All right, so we still have like archive boards at the bottom. I'm gonna unarchive all of this to show you. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.